Our goal, as we've stated many, many times, is to move the words and grammar structures that we're trying to learn from our short-term memory into our long-term memory. Our long-term memory is where things are permanently embedded, they're chiseled into granite, and we remember them effortlessly, not fruitlessly, but we just remember them effortlessly, and we can speak fluently. That's our goal, isn't it? Now, closely related to the circadian spaced repetition that we talked about in the previous video clip, now we're going to talk about a cascading study cycle. And you're going to see how this is related. Now, this is a recommended, a suggested cycle for learning new vocabulary. Now, how does it work? Very, very simply. As an example, let's say the first day, Monday, you study 10 new words. The second day, Tuesday, you add 10 new words to Monday's 10 words. So now on Tuesday, how many words are you studying? Monday's 10, Tuesday's 10, you're studying 20 words. The following day, Wednesday, add 10 new words. How many words are you studying on Wednesday? Do the math. Get your calculators out. 30 words. Monday's 10 words, Tuesday's 10 words, Wednesday's 10 words. Now you're up to 30 words. But you're repeating Monday's words and Tuesday's words. Now what happens on Thursday? Add 10 more words. So now, how many words are you studying on Thursday? 40. Monday's 10 words, Tuesday's 10 words, Wednesday's 10 words, plus the new words, the 10 new words you added Thursday. That's 40 words. But now you notice, now you've repeated Monday's words on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. You have studied those 10 words from Monday 4 days in a row. Now what happens on Friday? On Friday, you drop 10 words. Those 10 words that you're dropping are Monday's words. You're not adding new words on Friday. But what are you doing? You're studying Tuesday's 10 words, Wednesday's 10 words, and Thursday's 10 words on Friday. So now, what's happened? You've repeated those 10 words that you studied on Tuesday 4 times, which is what we've recommended for maximum recall. Okay, that's Friday. What happens Saturday? Again, drop 10 words. Tuesday's 10 words. Now, how many words are you studying on Saturday? Only 20. Sunday, the same thing. Drop 10 words. Now on Sunday, you're simply studying 10 words. But the beauty of this is you're not overburdening yourself, and every 10 new words that you add to your vocabulary, you are studying those 4 days in a row as a minimum. So how many words are you studying? What's your goal? With this pattern, you'll add 40 words a week to your vocabulary. 50 weeks in a year, we're going to give you 2 weeks off for vacation. That's 2,000 words a year. Now, if you can bump that daily new word list to 12, study those 4 days in a row every week, now you're studying simply 50 words a week. That's not too much. 50 words a week, 50 weeks in a year, 2,500 words in your first year or in the following year. Now, if you're a new student and you're learning 2,500 words, you're getting really close to that sweet spot of 3,000 words that form the global core vocabulary. Remember, with those 3,000 words, if you're studying the right words, you'll be able to understand 98% of what's written in the newspaper. Not now 98% of the words, you'll understand the thoughts. You'll understand the article itself. Now remember, our goal as a student is not simply to pass a test. We want you to learn to speak fluently. So don't, again, try to cram so much material into this short period of time. Remember Mark and Frank? Frank simply crammed too much into too little time and forgot likely 80% of what he was trying to learn. How much time are we wasting if we're forgetting 10, 20, 30%, 90% and only remembering 10 or 20% of what we're trying to study? We're wasting a lot of valuable time. So then, if you're enrolling in a course and the sales department says, this is an intensive language course, you know what I would do? I'd run. Why? That's a sales gimmick. They are trying to think that you, as an ordinary language learner or some linguistic virtuoso, they're appealing to your ego that, yes, I can take this intensive course and I'll be speaking this language fluently. That's a red light. The word intensive is a red light. It's a yellow caution light at the minimum. Run in the other direction. If your language course is trying to jam 40, 30, even 20 words a day into your head, you're setting yourself up for failure. So the cascading circadian study cycle, very simple. 10 words a day, 4 days in a row. Follow that cycle and see whether your retention rate doesn't get up to 90 to 95%.